In 48 hours, the silver boom ends. Just 2 days from now, the markets are going to move, and most silver stackers won't see it coming. If you're stacking silver, this one release could ignite the next surge or erase weeks of gains overnight. That's how fast this happens. The last time the Fed minutes hinted at a policy shift, silver spiked over 6% in less than 48 hours. And that's exactly what's coming down the pike. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month's winner was Brett from California. That should be you. Click that link in the description down below. Take home that silver. Now, look at this. The FOMC minutes are not a policy announcement. They're like the receipts. They reveal what the Federal Reserve really thought during its last meeting, the debates, the disagreements, and quiet warnings that never make headlines. When traders read between the lines, they discover where interest rates are actually headed. And here's why this matters for silver. Higher interest rates strengthen the dollar and crush metals in short term. But when the Fed starts talking about cutting or even just slowing down, silver usually takes off. Investors hedge against inflation and they hedge against falling yields. Remember, silver is not just a metal. It's a mirror of monetary confidence. When the Fed loses control of the narrative, silver always shines. So what could these minutes actually say? Well, at the last Fed meeting, Powell avoided strong forward guidance, meaning traders have no idea whether the Fed's next move is another pause or the start of a pivot. If the October 8th minutes reveal growing concern about slowing economic growth or stress in the credit markets, that's code for rate cuts are closer than we admit. And when that message lands, yields drop. When that message lands, the dollar slips. When that message lands, silver rockets. But if the tone is hawkish, warnings about sticky inflation or longer for higher interest rates, then metals could sell off hard. Either way, this report's a catalyst. The biggest danger for stackers is missing the first move. When algorithms instantly price in what humans haven't even read yet, that's when you know that you and I as stackers, we've missed it already. If you're holding silver right now, October 8th could mark the start of the next wave up or down. In 2020, a single dovish line buried in the Fed minutes sent silver soaring 14%. Just one line. That was in 2 weeks. Likewise, in 2022, a surprise hawkish tone erased $2 billion in ETF inflows overnight. That's how powerful this release can be. So this is what we need to be watching closely. And get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 silver eagles, 20 eagles. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.